Hey, what's going on? My name is John Madden. This is my brand new YouTube channel where I show you exactly how to grow a YouTube channel fast and then how to take that traffic and fill your sales funnel with it so you can make money online. Now, I was a former professional baseball player. I created a website in the baseball industry, the baseball niche, and I started using funnels to sell my products. My current YouTube channel has 155,000 subscribers, over that by now, at the time you're watching this video, and I use that traffic to drive sales through my funnel. So that's kind of what I've made this YouTube channel here that you're watching now for, was to show you behind the scenes how I do it, so you can get a sneak peek at exactly what I'm doing, so you could follow along and make money in your own industry. So if that interests you, please hit the subscribe button with the bell right next to it. This way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video, and you'll get to see some cool stuff. Well, that's not cool. Me and my son were shooting a video. Well, I was shooting a video, and then my son got a hold of the markers. So that's what we ended up with on that one. But I've got a lot of great content. I'd love for you to check it out and subscribe. And if there's anything that you want to see specifically or know about how I grew my channel from 0 to over 155,000 subscribers and use that traffic to fill my sales funnels, let me know. I'd be happy to share any information with you, and would love to have you as a subscriber. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon.